Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike here, back with another amazing product to show you today. I have the Sandpoy automatic pet feeder and also the Sandpoy water fountain. And both of these are suitable for cats or small to medium dogs. The pet feeder has a large 3-liter capacity and the water fountain has a 2-liter water capacity. They're easy to disassemble and clean. The pet feeder has a visible food hopper, and with the automatic pet feeder you can have flexible timed automatic feedings. And with the pet water fountain you get a 2-liter water capacity, also easy to disassemble and clean, and it has a multi-layer filtration system. Also has a visible water level, so you will know when you need to add more water. Okay, so let's take these out of the box. We're going to put them together and try them out, see how my cats like them. Okay guys, this is everything that comes with the Sandpoy automatic pet feeder and pet water fountain. You get a lot. I'm surprised how much was packed in that small box. Now we're going to put these together and try them out. The digital controls are on the back here, so your cat or small dog can't change the settings. So I'm sure the cat would like to change it to more feedings, but since it's on the back he may not be able to figure it out. And this is the power cord for the pet feeder. You just plug this in right here. There we go. Just plug into one of the USB inputs, and you can plug the water fountain into the other USB input. All you need is one plug really, and you can plug both the water fountain and the automatic pet feeder into one plug. That's very nice. Okay, the pet feeder is ready to go. Okay, so for the water fountain, we're first going to place the pump inside the square indentation on the bottom here. It comes with the pre-filter already installed. Has little suction cups. Just give it a little push, get it seated. So next we're going to feed our wire through the back here. And there we go. And you want to make sure you put it here on the side. There's a little place for the wire to go. If you put it up over like this, the lid will not shut. So we need to put it down into the little indentation here, like that. Next, assemble the filter. Rinse the filter thoroughly in cold water to help remove any excess and loose charcoal dust. Okay, we have it thoroughly rinsed. Now we're going to place the filter inside of this part. There's little indentions where it fits in the groove like this. And then we're just going to place this down in there like that. So next we're going to place our little lid right here. Then we're going to put the water tube down through, make sure it goes onto the water pump, give it a press. It's nice and tight. Next, all we need to do is install the flower on top. And there we go. Plug this into your power source. Okay guys, so here's our Sandpoy automatic pet feeder and water fountain all put together and ready to go. Just going to fill with cat food. Snap our lid back on. I need to fill this with water. I'm going to use filtered water to put in it to start. Okay guys, I'm going to plug it in now. Wow, nice. So guys, you can program the automatic pet feeder and you can record a personalized message. First we're going to set the time. Okay, our hours are flashing. Cheesecake, cheddar, huckleberry, Jackie, come eat. So guys, this Sandpoy cat water fountain also has a light inside of it. It's an LED light. It'll light up at night, and it also helps you see the water level.